Welcome to Shastra Science, Glory of India, Glimpses of the Past. Our beloved country, India, is celebrating 75 years of independence. Looking back, we understand that India discovered zero, without which mathematics would not have been possible. Indian system of Ayurvedic medicine was followed by the whole world. It was in India that the system of yoga for physical, psychological, and spiritual well being was developed. Indian astronomers accurately measured heavenly distances like that between Sun and Earth. The game of chess was invented in our country. It was here that the concept of atom was first conceived. The law of inertia, which was rediscovered by Sir Isaac Newton and known as the first law of motion, was initially propounded by Indian sages. The measurement system of time was developed here. The list is endless. In short, it can be said that almost all that was known to the ancient world was discovered, developed, or invented in India. Let us have a quick glance at the glorious past of our beloved country. India is the only society in the world which has never known slavery. India never invaded any country in her last 10,000 years of history. India was the richest country on earth until the time of the British in the early 17th century. Robert Clive's personal wealth amassed from the plunder of Bengal during 1750s was estimated at around 1 billion pounds by 1901. Taking into consideration of interest rates and inflation, this would be worth close to $1 trillion in real terms today. Indians invented the number system. Zero was invented by Aryabhatta. The place value system or the decimal system was developed in India in 100 BC. Aryabhatta was the first to explain in 499 AD the spherical shape, size, diameter, rotation, and correct speed of Earth. The world's first university was established in Takshila in 700 BC. Students from all over the world studied more than 60 subjects. The University of Nalanda, built in the 4th century, was one of the greatest achievements of ancient India in the field of education. Sanskrit was considered the mother of all higher languages. Sanskrit is the most precise and therefore suitable language for computer software as per a report in Forbes magazine, July 1987. Ayurveda is the earliest school of medicine known to humans. Charaka, the father of medicine, consolidated Ayurveda 2500 years ago. Today, Ayurveda is fast regaining its rightful place in civilization. Christopher Columbus was attracted in India's wealth and was looking for a route to India when he discovered the American continent by mistake. The art of navigation was born in River Sindh 6000 years ago. The word navigation is derived from the Sanskrit word navagati. The word navy is also derived from Sanskrit nav. In Siddhanta Shiromani Bhuvana Kosham chapter 6, Bhaskaracharya II described about gravity of earth about 400 years before Sir Isaac Newton. He also had some clear notions on differential calculus and the theory of continued fraction. The Vedas are the oldest written text on our planet today. They date back to the beginning of Indian civilization and are the earliest literary records of the human mind. They have been passed through oral tradition for over 10,000 years and the first appeared in written form between 2500 to 5000 years ago. Veda means knowledge in Sanskrit. Rig Veda, knowledge of high. There is only one truth, only men describe it in different ways. Yajurveda, knowledge of liturgy. Samaveda, knowledge of classical music. Ayurveda, knowledge of medicine. And Dhanurveda, science of archery and war. Upanishads, Jyotisha, astrology and astronomy, Kalpa, rituals and legal matters, Shiksha, phonetics, Aitareya, creation of the universe, man and evolution, Chandogya, reincarnation, soul, Kaushitaki, karma, Kena, austerity, work and restraints. Mundaka, discipline, faith and warning of ignorance. Sulba Sutra, knowledge of mathematics. Yoga Sutra, knowledge of meditation. Kama Sutra, knowledge of love and sex. Madhavacharya discovered Taylor series of sine and cosine function about 250 years before Taylor. He also discovered Newton power series and the Grigori-Leibniz series for the inverse tangent about 280 years before Grigori. He also discovered Leibniz power series for pi about 300 years before Leibniz. Bhaskaracharya calculated the time taken by the earth to orbit the sun hundreds of years before the astronomer Smart. In 5th century, he calculated that the time taken by Earth to orbit Sun is 365.258756484 days. Infinity was well known to ancient Indians. Bhaskara II in Bijaganada stanza 20 has given clear explanation with examples for infinity. Bhaskaracharya also discovered the theory of continued fraction. Indians discovered arithmetic and geometric progression. Arithmetic progression is explained in Yajurveda. Govindaswamy discovered Newton-Gauss interpolation formula about 1800 years before Newton. Madhishwaracharya discovered Newton-Gauss backward interpolation formula about 1000 years before Newton. Parameswaracharya discovered Euler's formula about 400 years before Euler. Nilakantha discovered Newton's infinite geometric progression convergence series. Positive and negative numbers and their calculations were explained first by Brahmagupta in his book Brahmasputa Siddhanta. Aryabhatta also propounded a heliocentric theory of gravitation, thus predating Copernicus by almost 1000 years. The Surya Siddhanta, a textbook on astronomy of ancient India, last compiled in 1000 BC, believed to be handed down from 3000 BC by aid of complex mnemonic recital methods still known today, showed the Earth's diameter to be 7,840 miles compared to modern approximation of 7,926.7 miles. It also showed the distance between the Earth and the Moon as 2,53,000 miles compared to the modern measurement of 2,52,710 miles. The value of pi was first calculated by Baudhayana, who explained the concept of what is known as the Pythagorean theorem. He discovered this in the 6th century, long before the European mathematicians. This was validated by British scholars in 1999. Algebra, trigonometry, and calculus came from India. Quadratic equations were propounded by Sridharacharya in the 8th century. The largest numbers of the Greeks and the Romans used were 10 raised to 6, whereas Hindus used numbers as big as 10 raised to 53 with specific names as early as 5000 BC during the Vedic period. Even today, the largest used number is 10 raised to 12, Tera. Maharshi Sushruta is the father of surgery. About 2600 years ago, himself and health scientists of his time conducted complicated surgeries like cesareans, cataract, artificial limbs, fractures, urinary stones, and even plastic surgery. Usage of anesthesia was well known in ancient India. Over 125 surgical equipments were used. Detailed knowledge of anatomy, physiology, etiology, embryology, digestion, metabolism, genetics, and immunity is also found in many texts. When many cultures were only nomadic forest dwellers, over 5000 years ago, Indians established Harappan culture in the Sindhu Valley civilization. Rigveda's hymn addressed to the sun refers quite clearly that the sun traverses 2202 yojanas in half nimisha. This, in fact, refers to the speed of light. The world's first granite temple is the Brihadishwara temple at Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu. The Shikhara is made from a single 30-ton piece of granite. The world famous Kohinoor diamond, which is set in the crown of the British monarch Queen Victoria II, was acquired from India. According to the Gemological Institute of America, up until 1896, India was the only source for diamonds to the world. Chess, Shatranja or Ashtapada was reportedly invented in India. The game of snake and ladders was created by the 13th century poet Saint Gyandev. It was originally called Mokshapet. The ladders in the game represented virtues and the snakes indicated vices.